Have you bought any other investment properties outside of this, or is this just sort of house hack to house hack to house hack? And go
Yeah,
ahead.
so I have been doing the whole because again, house hacking is just a great way to build a rental portfolio. You can get a hold of. You don't have to if doing a foreclosure or distressed property is too stressful. And again, there is some risk. You don't have to do that. Like if you don't have 60K or 100K saved up, like you don't have to go that route. You can just do a straight FHA purchase or straight VA purchase and purchase a property that's already fixed up or doesn't need much. But so for me, I was doing the whole rental house hacking to build the rental portfolio. However, I have some cash now from those cash out refinances, and I've maintained that frugal. Like my personal life, I live like Dave Ramsey, so more money is saving up, and then from the refinances, so I've gone outside of just the house hacking to get. I need to put more money. I don't want to just have cash in the bank. You need to get your hands on more property.